Ever wondered how to grapple with the challenges posed by dirty JSON data lurking in a CSV file? It's a conundrum that even the most seasoned tech gurus can find confounding. Yet it's a problem that Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm, has elegantly solved for a leading tech firm in the United States. The client, a heavyweight in the retail industry, was wrestling with a CSV file brimming with JSON data. To complicate matters further, this data was split into columns in an Excel file, making it a Herculean task to read, let alone analyze. Blackcoffer swooped in with a solution to convert the dirty JSON data into a readable format, making it ripe for further analysis. So how did Blackcoffer turn this mountain into a molehill? The answer lies in the potent combination of Python, the Pandas library, and a few handy tools such as Jupyter Notebook, JSON Validator, and Microsoft Excel. The team extracted every morsel of text present in the Excel sheet using the Python-based Pandas library, transforming it into a digestible text format. The JSON data then underwent a rigorous validation process using a JSON validator, ensuring it was in the correct format. The final step involved converting the JSON data back into a CSV file using Pandas, resulting in an easily readable and analyzable format. The journey was not without its hurdles. The primary technical challenge was the dirty JSON data split into columns in an Excel file, making it difficult to comprehend. But with the power of Python and the Pandas library, Blackcoffer extracted the data and converted it into a readable format. But what's the impact of all this? Well, the client could now perform further analysis on the extracted data, which was previously an indecipherable mess. This project not only showcased Blackcoffer's prowess in data manipulation, but also underlined the value of clean, well-structured data in today's digital age. In summary, Blackcoffer's solution involved the deft use of Python programming language, the Pandas library, and a suite of tools, including Jupyter Notebook, JSON Validator, and Microsoft Excel. The project's successful execution allowed the client to analyze their data more effectively, highlighting the critical role Blackcoffer plays in helping businesses navigate the complexities of data manipulation.